In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Magnum key fob. This key fob right here was used between 2005 and 2007, and it just takes one CR2032 battery to run. It's really easy to open this thing up and change the battery yourself. Just go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to get them online, I will leave a link down in the description to pick up your battery on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then just go ahead and follow along. If you look down on the bottom left side of this device here, you will see a little slot, little opening. Take your flathead, put it in there and just twist. Twist like that, and we will start to open this thing up. You see that little opening there? I'd like to then continue twisting until it kind of just pops open and it easily comes apart with your fingers. Okay, now just carefully remove these buttons. Set that to the side, and now we have access to our battery. I'm just going to get under the battery with my flathead screwdriver and lift. There it is, CR2032. And go ahead and take a brand new one. Make sure this positive side goes face down, and then it's really easy to just click that back into place like that. And now we just reassemble the whole package here. Buttons go on top. Face of the key fob just gets clicked back into place, and that's all it takes. Really easy. Hope you found that helpful, and if you did, go ahead and feel free to leave us a like or comment. And for more information on how to change the battery in any of your key fobs or any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.